Ever wondered if your fridge is always the safe haven for all your foods? Think again. It's a common misconception that refrigeration is always beneficial, but the truth is, certain food items can actually turn toxic when chilled. This video is going to delve into these surprising facts, shedding light on the everyday food items that, unbeknownst to many, are secretly transforming into health hazards in the cold confines of your fridge. Prepare to be surprised as we unravel the hidden dangers lurking in your fridge. First up on our list of foods that should avoid the cold embrace of your fridge are potatoes. Now, this might come as a surprise to many, but when potatoes are exposed to low temperatures, their starch begins to convert into sugar. This not only changes their flavor, making them taste unusually sweet, but also alters their texture, turning them gritty. More importantly, this transformation impacts their nutritional value, increasing their sugar content and reducing their health benefits. Switching gears, let's talk about onions. You might think that the cool and dark environment of your fridge is perfect for them, but you'd be mistaken. The high moisture content inside a refrigerator can cause onions to become moldy and mushy. The dampness speeds up their decay and can even impact other vegetables stored nearby. So, remember to keep your potatoes and onions in a cool, dry place, but definitely not in your fridge. Continuing our list, we have two more foods you might be refrigerating wrong: tomatoes and garlic. Now let's talk tomatoes first. You might think that popping them in the fridge will keep them fresh for longer, but the cold temperature actually does more harm than good. It disrupts their ripening process, which can lead to a mealy texture and a bland flavor. So if you want to savor the full, juicy taste of your tomatoes, it's best to keep them on the countertop. Moving on to garlic, it's another item that doesn't fare well in the fridge. The high moisture environment can cause the garlic to go moldy, which is definitely not what you want in your pasta sauce or stir fry. Keeping garlic in a cool, dry place outside the fridge is the way to go. So before you stash your tomatoes and garlic in the fridge, think twice. Rounding up our list are two items you might never have suspected: honey and olive oil. Let's start with honey, nature's sweet elixir. When honey is stored in the refrigerator, it tends to crystallize rapidly. This process does not render the honey toxic, but it does degrade its quality and alters its smooth, syrupy texture to a coarse, granular one. Moving on to olive oil, a staple in many kitchens across the world. When subjected to cold temperatures inside a refrigerator, olive oil can condense and harden. This forms a texture similar to butter, which is not ideal for an oil that's prized for its silky, fluid consistency. Again, this doesn't make the oil poisonous, but it certainly affects its taste and usability in your culinary endeavors. In conclusion, not everything benefits from a spell in the chill, so honey and olive oil are two more items that are better off outside your fridge. So there you have it, some everyday foods that your fridge might be ruining. We've uncovered the chilling truth about why potatoes, onions, tomatoes, garlic, honey, and olive oil might not be fridge-friendly. Each of these items has its own reasons for rebelling against the cold, whether it's the transformation of starches, condensation leading to mold, or crystallization. These foods prefer room temperature. Next time you're about to put these items in your fridge, remember, sometimes colder isn't always better.